family, and I am back again with another video. Took a small hiatus, but I promise you it's for a good cause, and you all will see if you subscribe to the channel. Now, if you're not subscribed to the channel, stop what you're doing right now, subscribe, cut on your post notifications, because what we do here at the Rich Family is we talk about a lot of investing opportunities, whether it's with Forex, crypto, anything in the investment entrepreneur world. Myself, my better half, Mr. Richoffthenet, we discuss it here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, make sure your post notifications are on. I'm gearing up for a lot of content for you all in 2023, so I definitely want you all to be a part of it, whether it's with you adding another income stream to your lifestyle, or whatever the case may be. I believe here at the Rich Family YouTube channel we can help you with that. However, for today's video, I am going to be showing you all another quick and easy beginner strategy when it comes to trading within a foreign exchange market. This is actually one of the strategies that I've learned early on my journey of trading within the foreign exchange market, and I believe that it's another easy, just simple step process that you could use to be able to secure a couple of $100 each day trading within the foreign exchange market. If you follow the steps, use proper risk management to secure a bag. So let's hop right into the video. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna hop right in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is show you all how to set up the chart with these two indicators that we're gonna use. The indicators that we're gonna use for this strategy is the moving average and the exponential moving average. So the first thing we're gonna do is I always change my candles to Heikin-Ashi candles. I love Heikin-Ashi candles opposed to the traditional regular candles. To me, Heikin-Ashi candles are more cleaner and straight to the point. I am a simple trader. I like to get in and out and on with my life. My life is busy between my kids, my spouse, and my businesses. So I just love to be able to just hop in and out. I don't like for it to be too confusing and just has me looking at the chart all day. So the Heikin-Ashi candles help me with that. It helped make things more smoother and more clear. If you all see the difference right now, currently I'm on candles, and if I go to Heikin-Ashi, it changes the chart, and you see it's more concise, more simpler to understand and to see exactly what you're doing. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top and we're going to hit indicators. Like I said, the two indicators that we're using are the moving average and the exponential moving average. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in moving average here. And you should see it came up. Now, when you click it, if you're using TradingView, it's going to stay here. You have to exit out of it. So I'm going to exit out, and I'm going to set up my moving average. So to do that, I go hit the gear shift right here. I hit the gear shift. And then on this side, first thing I want to do is I want to make my line a little bit thicker, because your girl is kind of blind. As y'all see, it made the line a little bit thicker, easy for me to understand. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the way, we're going to change the length on this. So the length is 9. We're going to change it to 4. And then we're going to hit OK. Then we're going to go back to indicators, and we're going to type in exponential moving average exponential. As y'all see, it popped up already. So we click here. Now I'm going to make sure this is clicked, the EMA. And I'm going to hit the gear shift here. I'm going to change my style to make that a little bit thicker for me too. I'm going to actually change the color, because the color of this one is blue along with the MA. I want this one to, let's do orange. Yeah, let's do orange. And then the inputs for this one is you're going to change the length in the settings from 9 to 50. And then we're going to hit OK. Now, this strategy is pretty simple, I would say. Then again, I have been trading for a while. If you watch any of my videos, it's similar to the other strategy that we use, using the MACD and flat tops, flat bottom. So we're going to use a little bit of that here as well. I actually see a perfect setup that I can show you all right now. So we're going to use a little bit of that for the sake of this example. And I want to get straight to the point of showing you all how to do this. So it's not a long-winded example. I feel like when things are long-winded, that's when we either tune out or we just give up and say this is too confusing. So anytime the 4, remember I changed the moving average to 4 and I changed the EMA to the 50. Anytime they cross, So this is a point right here where they cross. Anytime they cross, you're going to be looking to go to place the trade. So for instance, for this example, it crossed, the EMA and the MA cross. It crossed going up. So that lets me know it's going to be a buy. Anytime you see them going up, it means buy. You're gaining something. So that means you're buying something. That's the way you can know that it's a buy. Now, if it crosses, let me see if I can scoot over. Like for instance, this one right here crossed. I actually don't like that example because it didn't cross all the way. Okay, so I was going to show you all this right here because it did go back into a sell, but as y'all can see right here, it didn't cross. It kind of just skimmed by each other. This is an example of what you don't want to look for. If you place the trade for this one, it could have possibly been a good trade, but what we want to do is try to keep your wins as close as possible. So in order to do that, you want to follow each step and each rule to the T. Of course, it's a 50-50 chance. If if you don't follow the steps and you just go ahead first, you could possibly win some, gain pips or money, whatever the case may be. However, it's best to just follow the steps along and be patient. Trading is more of like a mind game. Sticking to what you know and sticking to your steps will help you secure back trading in the long run. Once you think about it too much or you start skipping steps or anything in that nature, from my experience, that's when I see people losing. So as y'all see for this example, it skimmed past, it did not cross. But if I go up here, if y'all look closely, it crossed, and it crossed going down. So since it crossed going down, you see it was a sell. So that's an example of a sell. Let's go back to this beginning part. This one crossed. You see the cross? It crossed going up. So the way that I would have placed the trade if I was looking at this setup in this current time is as soon as it crossed, I would have waited for a flat, since it's going up into a buy, I'm going to be looking for a flat bottom. I would have waited for a flat bottom, which I got right here. And that would have been my okay to enter the trade. Now, what I will say is, yes, you could enter the trade as soon as it crosses. However, like I said, when you have more steps, not even more steps, when you have more confirmations, you have a higher probability of being able to get in and out with the bag the quickest and secure your profits. So as y'all see here, I got the flat bottom. If I would have placed my trade here, as you see, it is still going into a buying direction. Now, for the sake of this example, when you're placing your stop losses and when you're placing your take profit, a good rule of thumb is to secure 20 pips below crossing on a buy. So it'll be the same way for a sell. Secure 20 pips above crossing on a sell. So what I mean when I say that is when this crosses, you want to set your ruler right there and get your take profit and your stop loss. So basically get your take profit and stop loss as soon as it crosses, which is, for example, right here. And I personally feel a good rule of thumb is doing so if you're doing a 20 pip stop loss, I think a 30 pip, 35, 40 pip take profit is a good take profit to take. So if you cross right here, you'll do a 20 pip stop loss and maybe like a 30, 40 take profit. That is a good risk to reward ratio. Depending on your account balance, of course, definitely, go by the rules that you have as far as your account balance. This is just showing you all the strategy. So when it crosses, that's your indicator of, okay, let me go ahead and calculate my stop loss and take profit, but I'm going to still wait for that flat bottom. And then we have the flat bottom. So you already have your parameters that you're going to enter into your trading app or on your computer to enter your stop loss and your take profit. Once you enter that, you're good to go. You could close your laptop, close your trading app, and let it play out. The biggest thing that I see a lot of people do is, they start second guessing themselves. They'll place the trade, but then they'll sit there and watch it. It fluctuates. It's going up and down, and sometimes it doesn't go in their favor, and they pull out prematurely. When you do that, sometimes you're taking a loss on your own when you don't really have to take a loss. So wait for the EMA and the MA to cross. Get your stop loss and your take profit. Once you get your flat top or your flat bottom, go ahead and enter the trade, close your laptop, close your app, and go on about your business and, let it play out. Now, the chart that I'm on is on a daily. So of course, something like this, I will check back the next day, same time. Or depending on how your life is or your schedule is, you can go down to the hour time frame, the minute time frame, whatever is best for you. I personally feel like the hour or the daily is the best route to go. I feel like anything lower than an hourly, it's just kind of just pushing it. However, it is capable. You can do it as well. So yeah, that is the example using the MA-EMA crossover strategy. If you all want me to do another video showing you all exactly how I input my stop losses and my take profits, just comment below and I'll make another quick video for you all for that. But for the sake of this being a simple strategy, I just want to leave it right here and not go any further. So I hope this strategy helped y'all, and I hope you're able to make some money using this strategy. Okay, perfect. So now we're done with the educational part of me showing you all exactly how you could really make profit daily, whether you have a daily goal of $50, $100, $500, $1,000. The strategy I just showed you is one of actually a few strategies that I know that could help you secure a bag daily within the foreign exchange market. So that's why I use it, and that's why I want to come on here and show you all. It's actually something I've been using recently, and I love it. It reminds me of my strategy that I showed you all on previous vlogs. I just like it to be simple and easy. Like, I don't like to sit and look at the chart all day, and that's just a strategy that I like to use. So many students in my community like to use it as well. So I figured, why not come on and show the Rich family? So that's for that part. Now, if you're someone who was maybe like me in the beginning, who, wanted to jump head first into investing, or wanted to just have, another income stream, or, want to have an additional income to be able to, use it for travel, the holidays coming up, the traveling months are coming up. And if you're looking for a way to be able to supplement your income or have an additional income, I'm a part of one of the #1 educational platforms in the world when it comes to teaching you how to be a successful investor and entrepreneur. So instead of me just sitting in front of this camera telling you all what my educational platform has, how about I just show you all? So let's hop right into that video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all the #1 educational platform in the world that's teaching people just like myself how to be a successful investor and entrepreneur here in 2023. Like I was saying, the strategy that I learned is one of many strategies that I've learned being part of our educational platform. It's literally transformed me as an individual in a whole. Like, it's helped me with my business. It's helped me learn how to properly invest within the foreign exchange market with crypto. It's educated me on NFTs. It's literally been the hub of my education when it comes to being a successful investor. And I want to share this with you all as well, because let's face it, February is the new year. Like, I look at January as a trial run. February is a new year. That this is where we manifest how we want our 2023 to be. So I'm going to show you all the investment platform that I've been using for the past few years that's helped myself and thousands of other people be successful investors and entrepreneurs in this world. The reason why I love this platform is because it has everything in one spot. Yes, if you want to learn how to trade Forex, crypto, whatever the case may be, there is plenty of avenues for you to learn, whether it's somebody selling their courses on the side, or whether it's, YouTube University, or even whether it's baby pips. But what I love about our educational platform is that it has everything in one spot, because let's face it, I'm a full-time mom. I have a 13-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 10-month-old. I don't have time to sit and shuffle through information all day, every day to get a hang of making my money work for itself. In this day and age, it's very, very, very important that we have more than one, more than two, even more than three different income streams coming in. And our educational platform gives me access to multiple income streams. And the way we're able to do that is they're able to show you, and not even show you, they do show you a lot, but they're able to educate you on being a successful Forex trader. They're able to show you and educate you on being a successful crypto investor. They're able to show you and educate you on being a successful NFT investor. We're also able to show you and educate you on the education of stocks. You are also able to show you how you're able to get discounts on travel. We're even able to show you how you'll be able to sell a product using e-commerce. But for the sake of this video, because we're talking about Forex, let's just hop right into the education. Because as I said, like, I'm a mom. When my kids are at school or when my kids are at daycare, this is my time for me to be able to educate myself in order to make an additional income, make extra funds to allow my kids to live the life that I didn't get to live. So my favorite is Forex. I love Forex. I love crypto. I love NFT, but Forex is just a way for me to secure a bag daily. So if you're somebody that's like me, maybe you're not a mom, maybe you're a single dad, or maybe you're a college student that's in college in the books, but you're trying to look for ways to be able to make money while you're getting those A's in college. This academy has done that for me. I didn't know what I was doing when I started trading Forex. I just wanted to be able to have time freedom, like I see my spouse having time freedom every single day. So what I did was I hopped into this Forex academy, and it literally took me by my hand and guided me on how to be a successful Forex investor. It told me about the history of Forex. It told me when I'm supposed to trade. It told me what is a pip. You know, sometimes when we hear these traders talking, they're talking about lot sizes and pips and stuff. You don't know what they're talking about. Our academy teaches you that. It's second to none. And when I say teaches you, I ain't saying that you sitting in a boring classroom all day. I am literally kicked back in my office right now. I would have music playing, but for the sake of me recording this video, I don't want to, deter y'all too much. So what I'll do is I'll, take time when my kids are at school. I'll hop onto this academy and I will educate myself. I will listen and follow along to the information that they're giving me. Now, the academies, what I'm showing you right now, the Forex Academy is what jump-started my investing journey, because it taught me the basics that I needed to understand and know. When it comes to making money within the foreign exchange market, I got the basics. I got my broker set up. I got my account funded. I even learned the basic steps on being able to secure money every single day. However, I kind of wanted to go deeper than that. Once I got the basics, I'm like, okay, I got the basics. Now I'm ready to hop in. I want to set a schedule to trade these times on these days. This is when our live interaction came in. Now, our live interaction is kind of like our academy on steroids. Now, when I say it's our academy on steroids, what I mean by that, y'all see these people right here? These are not just regular people. These aren't teachers. These are our educators. So this is like me having a YouTube university in my investment platform, because let me give y'all an example. With YouTube University or however it is that you're learning from one person or multiple people at once, but you're learning their way of teaching. And with me, I know, like, I have to have multiple ways in order to learn. And this is what the interactive does for me, is because I'm able to tap into these educators, which, let me just say, they've been educated to trade for years. They're backed by proof. They're educated. They're educators. They've been trading for years. So I trust these people to teach me the things that I don't know, because I know that they're the educators. They're the masters. They're the perfect ones when it comes to teaching you how to trade Forex. So for instance, if I want to learn about Forex, I may go right here to Mike Navarrete. And this is just the top 5. But let's say I'm watching him and I'm like, okay, this is cool. I understand some things, but I don't like the time that he comes on, or maybe his accent is too strong for me. The good thing about our educational platform is that you don't just have one person to learn from. You could literally go into our live interaction and look. I could keep scrolling all day. Let's just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 educators on the Forex side. So I have 28 different educators to choose from, to pick from, to learn from, Sunday through Saturday on trading within the foreign exchange market. So if I put my kids to sleep at a certain time, I could hop on here and see who is live. I could make my schedule every single week. I could have a different educator that I watch every single day until I find that educator that just hits home with me, and helps me learn, exactly what I'm doing. And what's even awesome about it as well is that everything is saved. So even if you miss a session, it's okay, because all of our sessions are saved and you can go watch them. Or let's say you catch a live session. So I'm going to click one of my favorites. Let's say you catch a live session. You see how they're ready. We are gonna be ready. This educator is hilarious. Okay. So I can't stay on him for too long because he may say something that he ain't supposed to be saying on my YouTube channel. But what I was saying is that, when they're live, you're able to hop on here and ask them questions. If you don't understand something, you could tell them to repeat it. Tell them to hold your hand. Hold your hand. You're going too fast. Like repeat it for me one more time. And that's why I love our live interaction, because it's different from the academy. Me just taking my time reading, going through it. Sometimes I can get boring. Let me get some live interaction. And that's what our live interaction is able to do for us, which is really what took my education to the next level. So forever thankful for that. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you all is our cheat codes. Now, I say our cheat codes because let's face it, this whole entire educational platform is a cheat code. Just being honest. The academies is cool. The live interaction is cool, but we want to make some money. What I love about the platform as well is that not only do they give us all the things that I just showed you all already, but they give you cheat codes. So let me just show you all. So y'all know how just now I was showing you all an example on TradingView, showing you how to use indicators, changing your charts, showing you how to calculate your stop loss and take profit. Well, what if you had something that did it all for you? What if you had something that calculated your stop loss, calculated your take profit? It lets you know when a trade is about to play out. It lets you know when it's time for you to, to hop in the trade. That's what our cheat codes are. And this is just one of them. This is actually my favorite. This is my baby. I've been using this particular cheat code since the very, very beginning of my Forex journey. I still use it to this day. I use this on a daily basis to show new students in our educational platform how they're able to actually make money, even if they just partner with us today. I can show them how to make money using this cheat code today. Once I show them how to get their broker set up, once I show them how to fund their broker, once I get them going on the back end, I could show them a quick 3-step strategy using this cheat code, and they could be making money within their first 24 or 48 hours of joining myself and my investment platform. This is why I love our cheat codes. But you know what? It's crazy because it doesn't even stop there. As a bonus of getting started with the Richoffthenet, you'll have access to our very personal owned community. Now, when I say our personal community, this is a glimpse of it right here. As you can see today, it's currently 12:03. At 10:20, we sent out a trade idea. So let's say you're at work and you don't have time to hop on, into the education and learn and use our cheat codes. That's fine. As long as you're partnering with myself or the Richoffthenet, you'll have access to our community, which we will send you an alert directly to your phone telling you like, hey, this is a good setup. It was called out this long ago. Let's go ahead and hop in and make some money. And as you can see there, we sent this out at 10:21. Literally 8 minutes later, this activated, and everybody in my community with the Richoffthenet was in profit. Literally in profit. And these are just some of the things that you get when you're partnered up with the Richoffthenet. Right now, I am running special price for just you all that are watching my channel. If you're a subscriber, or maybe you're new to this channel, I am doing a special promotional price because let's face it, February is a new year. We starting off fresh. So any person that wants access to my mentorship, my community, the Rich Family, whatever the case may be, I'm going to give the first 10 people money off and get you all started making money this week trading within the foreign exchange market. So if that's you, just follow the directions at the end of this video and let's get you started. And we have come to the end of the video. Thank you all for sitting with me during this video. Whether you are listening in on the Forex strategy or whether you're just a loyal supporter, or maybe you're just somebody looking for ways to be able to invest in 2023, and this video popped up on your newsfeed. It definitely popped up on your newsfeed for a reason. So if everything looked good to you all and you're ready to have access to one of the #1 educational platform when it comes to being a successful investor and entrepreneur, you want to get started with the Rich Family, you want to take advantage of our special promo price that's going on right now, which is only going on for the next 3 days. I'm only going to accept the first 10 people. If that's you, you want access, you want to be able to have an additional income stream, you want to make money from your phone, you want to have access to investing, or you want to just have access to my mentorship and let me guide you by the hand and show you how to be a successful investor in 2023, make sure you email us at partnerwithdrf@gmail.com and let's get you going. Let's get you started today and making money tomorrow. There's going to be definitely more content loaded up for you all coming up on our channel. So again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, cut on your post notifications for more videos from us, the Rich Family. Follow me on Instagram, lovelymeg_, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.